Hello Aries and Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. It's Ishal Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from Bharat, India. Namaste. Let's start with your reading. This is going to be right from 11th of August and so on, like beyond. Timeless readings though, but it's going to go with the flow, like, you know, weekly and all that stuff. But it was supposed to be from 9th of August, but I got time recording now, so yes. Okay. It's about your well-being, it's about your health, it's about your current relationship, which is very important. For some cases it's like of long time means years. Some of you, I'm getting like 35 to 40 years of relationship with someone of your life, like you love them, okay, or your family where you live. This is something that gives you oxygen, gives you good health, gives you that good feeling, gives you that luck and everything that is required in your life. Okay, this may be something, some of you might be, for some of you this may be your own business, some of you might be working in a firm for a very long time, and it is like now it is time to say farewell to that. Now maybe it is about you are on your terms saying bye. So those things are connected with your work stuff and everything, okay? So I was like shuffling your fairy tale, like for you, fairy tale Lenormand. It's something that you need to be alert also about someone who is really like a fox or someone who is taking advantage of you, okay? So this card flipped, okay? They may have caused you a little bit of stress, and not little, actually lot, because maybe some of you are trying to pull away that energy, like you really don't want to continue something with this person, may it be at work or some love situation here, because you have ship, Ten of Swords. Someone gave you long time stress here, or maybe you are definitely deciding on something that you really need to stop this, okay? Just give me a second. Okay, so just to relax you guys, I just did that. Also, the ship is calling for you to begin your journey of ending something that is giving you stress. Now here, you have Fox energy, Nine of Wands energy. I feel you're protecting something or someone. You have concern. Now this may be your current relationship, current family. You know, when I say current means you live with them, you're very much concerned about them, family members here. Whether you are single, you married, you never married, it doesn't matter. If you're married, then goes with that family, but you have a bond here. And you have the first card that came out is Tree, Seven of Cups energy. It's all about the choices that you made previously, and some things that you have currently, you know, in your present phase. This tree is you, your life, and it is about your individual personality, your aroma. Okay, it's aroma. That's your fragrance, that's your aroma. Maybe I wanted to say like your aura, okay? So, yeah, but your aroma. So this is about the fragrance that you are spreading, because what you have grown into, what you have given, okay? It's also the shade that you gave to people or to someone specific in your life. This is about you. Did the build up here. That's you, okay? And I feel this is your energy of like you need to work on, you need to stay strong, stay put with something. You need to have your strong roots, because that's what is connected with the tree. So this is about your life here on this planet, your individual personality, your persona, your aroma, your aurora, and your aura, okay? AQ. But with the fox, you're trying to protect something from someone who is like a fox. So this is something that you are maybe someone deceived you in some way. Now again, you're protecting and you are securing something somewhere, okay? And they are trying to figure out about you, someone who might be spying on you, your activities. If that fits you, it's for you, okay? Now I'm going to do what? Some of you are distancing yourself. Okay, distancing yourself. You have the bottom energy as Eight of Cups energy, which is about distancing also. And excuse me, distancing yourself, or you decided something because you got clarification. And I said OMG because you got clarity on the cut side, which is about angel wisdom reminds you that a busy, cluttered mind is a sick one, and a still clear mind is a divine one. Tree, take your time. Allow the wisdom in your heart to radiate out and dissolve the chatter of your mind. Know that your angel has drawn this to your attention and is waiting to help you in your task. Okay? Sit quietly so that you can find the stillness within. Then you can shine a pure, clear light onto every area of your life. In the clarity of this light, the angels will reveal a new way of being. You will see things differently and be able to make decisions from strength and clarity. So maybe you're about to make certain decision about your now, about your family, about your current relationship, about yourself. I see someone is doing a peekaboo and you need to figure out. I also see like Mother Earth is protecting you, just not for specific, like because I have to say Mother Earth because it is tree, but because I feel like someone is keeping close eye on you and they are really, really with you. Okay? Someone took advantage of you being vulnerable sometime and they might be the fox. Okay, so let's see what they have for you. This particular deck that I'm using is by Diana Cooper, Angels of Light cards, if you're interested. So, decision coming. Okay, so there is also new adventure and beauty. Okay, what is the message? What is the message? What is the message for you? Can you give us the flip? Souls and spirits, lights and angels. Can you give us the flip? Can you give us the flip? Okay, so you got the flip and you have introspection. You are figuring out choices. You'll make some understanding and you'll have clarity. And okay, what? Okay, fine. Introspection. I feel you're going to ask someone something. You're about to ask whatever you say. So your angel guidance is to find quiet space for contemplation and look within. It is time to withdraw and review your life. Taking time and space for yourself gives you an opportunity to recuperate from life's challenges, to reflect on the way ahead. Strengthen yourself and prepare for the next phase of your life. During times of introspection, you can become aware of your gifts, your inner reserve, and your wisdom. It is time for healing. Still your mind and quieten your emotions. Ask for your angels' wings to enfold you and provide you with safe haven in which to relax. Then you can listen to the promptings of your angel inspiring and guiding you. So now what they are trying to say is, with introspection, is that you need to figure out your own life right now. Your focus should be you, your health, your consideration, contemplation. Now the point here is that this may be connected with someone specific or your work area or some decision. I'm telling you, this is choices connected. Another thing, this is telling me it is maybe you're dealing with Virgo, maybe, or fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, just like you, possible Aries, Sag, or Leo. I also see here something is going to come to closure. Okay, closure, not closer, closure. I also see here some kind of like revelations, and it is also something that was troubling you, right? Kind of like you had guards up connected with that, and they're going to come down finally. Okay, what is coming in future? So first, it's going to be introspection, which is needed. And in future, you have cooperation, which is very important. Okay, so this is about, I'm going to just speak a little bit. Cooperation for the highest good promotes harmony and togetherness and draws the best from everyone. So drawing the best from everyone and doing the best for yourself. Make it your aim that everyone has a sense of satisfaction from your work done. Then you become a spreader of goodwill and harmony. You are about to do some kind of thing here, that is for sure. Okay, now let's just see. Let me see what is coming in love. I heard bloom it, like what you're trying to make bloom, like, you know, like a flower. Or gloom it, which is about you want it to be like this, or something is like this and you want to make it like this. So I feel like this is the message of giving life to something or bringing life in your life. Does that make sense? Bringing life in your life. So maybe someone is entering in your life, or you are you know, having certain kind of choice here connected with your tree. This may be about the fantasy, desire, choices, whatever it is, it's like up to you. But I feel like after this introspection and cooperation, someone is coming in cooperation with you. So this may be cooperation at work or with some love matter. But with this, I feel like there's a peekaboo. So there may be someone asking of Heart's energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This is something emotional, yes. And this may be at work, but I feel like bloom and gloom. I feel this is kind of like someone who's coming in your life is coming like a bloom, or they're going to make your life bloom and then you were gloomy. Okay, or maybe you are entering in someone's life as a bloom and they are gloomy. So however it goes, bloom, gloom is coming here. Ace of Wands energy is my karma card though, but Ace of Wands is your next step, and after introspection and cooperation, this is like someone you are getting attracted to or you're in love with, or your next action is about making right choice for you. Now this may be at work, holding certain kind of position, making big decisions. Again, King of Pentacles, maybe Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. This may be about your position right now. This may be someone in specific and you are making offer to this person. Okay, let's see in your present. So your decision is a food. Okay, Eight of Wands energy. In your present call, you're going to take this particular step further, which is about talking, movement. Eight of Wands is like all talks, conversations, swift things happening here, and it's like for some of you it's like unplanned, but whatever you were fantasizing, you're making it work. Okay, there might be someone around you who is trying to play the act of like I know everything kind of. Maybe they don't, or maybe they are just trying to hide their feelings like a treasure, and someone gonna figure that out. Okay, or maybe just a simple thing like someone is playing that role of like I'm over smart, and then you're going to have introspection, and then they're going to figure out, oh my god, you never hid that thing somewhere. Now you have King of Cups energy. This is about possible choices between Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, but this is emotional choice, emotional decision, and this may be the person in your life, okay, already, or they are about to getting more emotional, talking to them. Two of Pentacles, definitely it's about prioritization, who is more important to you. This is about whatever is going in your life, okay. So Two of Pentacles is about coming to conclusion, right now confused or juggling with that, but after talking, resolution is there. Let's see beyond King of Cups energy. Beyond, there's going to be in the middle, there's going to be a little bit of flip. Okay, so someone is winning someone's heart. So there again, there may be oh my god, so there are a few cards. Okay, we're just going to talk about that. Maybe this is about some kind of contradiction or some introspection that you're doing in order to figure out this person. Queen of Swords energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but this is about winning someone's heart. So possible you're winning this person's heart here, or they are. Six of Wands energy is your getting more emotional towards this person or this. Okay, however, I'm just giving you the signs if it fits you good. I see Six of Wands is your homecoming. It's like you're feeling victorious, taking a little bit of rest with the person, and emotional, no chaos. It's like settling stuff with them. Again, this is Three of Wands, and wow, Three of Wands and Seven of Wands, which is about push and pull between the choices, or maybe you people are too different, and of course it does happen, but then again coming to certain conclusion. I see here desire to seep in someone's life, or desire to get to know this person. Some of you are no longer trying something, but it is coming towards you. It's like honestly and naturally. This is something, no more drag. Okay, you don't want to drag someone in your life, and you don't want to drag put yourself in someone's life. It's rather going naturally. Okay, something is going to happen here. That's what I see, at least. It's like your win situation with the person. Okay, some of you are done with someone, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and no longer putting that effort, and that's why it's like no more dragging here, no more desiring them to enter because they are not ready or you are not. However, after introspection, cooperation is coming and something is done here, but the next step is here. Maybe it was like something that was confusing here, disturbing. Okay, that's what I talked about. Someone who played very false, or like a fox energy, especially here. I feel like they possible were an intruder. Okay, who was, you need to decide, but whoever was, you're finally coming to conclusion by having self introspection. Okay, take care guys, I love you, see you soon, bye.